put the glitter one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
See, Mama?
This one.
Yeah, let's put the red seed here. Okay, Mama?
Oh, yeah, you can get the pieces.
That's not.
That's playdoh.
Yeah, let's put this in the top. See? There.
That's the pieces.
Yeah.
Okay, go. Oh, it's broken now.
Let's get tape. Okay, Mama?
Okay.
What's the green?
Green one.
Yeah, we did it. Yeah.
There with Harold. Look at that, Harold.
Yeah,
Here.
But what is another? Oh, this is the blue one.
Is it? Can you open it for me? Open. Open. You can? No, you know what? You have to get some more of this. Some more trailer. Inside? Is it inside? Go. Get some more. Wait.
Wait, you didn't open that play-doh.
Oh, sorry. Okay, open it. Yes. You open it and then you're going to put a Play-Doh for Zephie. Ah, let me see. I'll do it. Ah. Mama will do it.
Mama!
What? Ah.
We are not out.
Ah. There. Yes.
Yeah.
That's blue.
Blue.
Oh, it's blue.
Yeah, and this is green.
Okay. Put some blue here for Zephie. Come on.
You want green?
No, we're going to put... Mama is going to put it there. Okay, come on.
Let's get blue. You like blue, Mama?
Yeah, I like
Yeah.
blue.
Yeah, I take red and I like green too.
You like green too?
Yeah.
Oh, Zephie is carrying some
Blue.
Play-Doh. And who's that, Henry?
Yeah, he
Is that Henry? Oh, there's Henry.
Yeah.
There's Henry.
Yeah, he like Play-Doh too. And I want her to help us.
Henry's going to transport a Play-Doh, right?
Yeah, he's gonna do.
And Zephie.
I'm gonna be a ghost.
As well as Zephie. You're going to transfer a Play-Doh.
Ooh, there's a ghost.
Ah! He cannot see. Don't cover his face.
No, it's a ghost.
Don't cover his face, Big Adam.
Oh, why? Wait!
Ah! See, look at that, Zephie.
Look,
Zephie's caboose
Look,
is
Mom.
almost full.
yeah,
One more.
I didn't prove it.
One more.
We're not ready yet, Baba.
Yes.
We're
Adam is not ready yet, but Zephie is almost done.
Yeah?
You have 3 trailers. 1, 2, 3. And 1 tender. There you go. What are you going to put on top of the tender? This one.
Oh, no.
Henry's tender. That's Henry.
And we're gonna finish
You're
it.
going to finish it?
Yeah.
Oh, you're fast.
I did it!
You are fast.
I'm fast!
So then you won. Okay, transport it now.
Yeah.
That's Henry.
Yeah.
Oh, Henry's moving.
Yeah, he's not ready.
Ah, he's not ready yet.
Yeah.
Look at this Zephie is not ready yet.
Now we're ready!
Are you sure?
I'm
There, let
ready.
me see. Oh, there's
Bye-bye, CP!
there's Henry.
CP's gone.
Let's see Henry.
What?
Ah,
We didn't make it. Let's go up.
can you
okay?
make it?
No, I have to go up. I didn't get up, Mama.
Oh. Oh, okay. What are you doing now? No, I have to put some more Play-Doh to Zephie.
I did it, Mama.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I made it.
Look at this.
No.
Look, Zephie. Zephie has Play-Doh on his trailer.
Yeah, I'm putting it.
There. You're done.
I won, Mama.
I know you won. Zephie.
Mama!
There, Zephie is coming.
You're not done.
Okay, Zephie is coming,
We're
Adam.
gonna win, Mama. We're gonna win.
Wow, Zephie is going to the mountain tunnel.
We won, Mama!
I know you won. Oh, where is your Play-Doh?
I did it.
Henry.
I won because that's
Hi, Henry. Where is your Play-Doh?
You
Okay,
did.
Zephie is...
You did win, Mama.
I know, you won. I know. I did not win.
And now I win.
Wow. Okay.
Let's turn Henry like a ghost. Okay, Mama?
Don't turn Henry as a ghost.
No.
There's Zephie.
I want to.
Zephie is carrying some Play-Dohs, right?
Yeah, I want your Play-Doh.
Oh, this is the roundabout. There you go.
Yeah, you can use Play-Doh on it. But
This is the round. Ah! Oh no. Cannot do it. Zephie cannot do it. Okay.
I have to turn Henry like a ghost.
Like a ghost.
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah. Let me be him.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
I get wet. You are the people.
Oh, Adam is singing. What are you singing?
No,
What are you singing,
I'm
Adam?
not singing.
Oh.
Sorry, Mama.
No, sorry. Don't ask sorry. You're okay.
Mama, what, Mama?
See here, Zephie.
That, Mama. I'm gonna make it ghost.
Oh my God, that's Henry's tender full of Play-Doh.
Play-Doh, yeah. 'Cause
Wow.
I'm making it into ghost.
Wow.
Yeah, it's see. Mama, the
That's
dog.
the tender. The tender is full of Play-Dohs now.
They're done.
Yeah, let me see Zephie here.
CP.
Zephie.
CP, I want to tell you.
Oh my God, the bridge is broken. How can Zephie pass on the bridge?
Ghost crash.
Ah, no way.
I'm gonna play your Play-Doh.
Okay, you get my Play-Doh.
Yeah, because I'm gonna do this.
Yeah.
Ah! No.
Ah.
Oh no. Oh no.
Oh no,
Oh no.
it's broken.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
Oh no. Okay,
Oh, no.
yeah, pick it up. Pick it up. Come on. You're okay now?
Oh no. Oh no.
Oh, poor Zephie, he doesn't have any Play-Doh.
Yeah, I get it.
Poor Zephie, no more Play-Doh with him.
Yeah. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
He's coming there. Ask for Play-Doh. Okay. Hi, Henry, can you give me some Play-Doh? Yeah.
Goodbye.
Ah, that's a lot. Look. The tender is full of Play-Doh, Adam.
No, give me it.
The colors are mixed up now.
Okay.
Separate the colors. Yes, that's blue. What's the other color you have?
Ta-da!
Okay, it's blue. What else?
I make blue.
You make blue?
I make CP white blue, okay? I'm gonna make CP white blue, okay, Mama?
Okay.
Yeah, because I'm gonna make him. Nah, blue, blue, blue.
That's a blue one.
Yeah.
What about the orange one?
I have a watch. You want to take lines, Mama?
Yeah. I think we have to use the Trackmaster as well for Play-Doh.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Say bye now then.
Bye. Watch it. Click the big jump. Bye.
Bye. See you on our next video.